Aman, with a smile. Yep. Look at this view. So Canadians like to wear baseball caps. If they're under 40, they seem to wear it like this backwards. Over 40, they wear it at the front but down like this. Yeah, I'm under 40, so we'll give this a try for an hour, yeah? Just blend in with me vlogging camera. Heading down to English Bay now. You're not even on it. You're not even on it. You're shy anyways. Dick. See that? Some crackhead trying to play the trumpet. I just turned it off for a second and he's shouting after me for money. Oh, you can see the Jackson sisters coming up here now. Shamrock. I'll be going in there in a while. I just don't want to go in now in case I get stuck in there all day. Here, back there when I had that little run-in with your man that was pretending to play the trumpet, I know I might have looked a bit ignorant or a bit rude there, shouting back at him, but he wasn't playing it, he was pretending to play it. He's just, you know, I'm sure he's an addict trying to get a few quid, but if someone shouts at me, I shout back at them. It's just, I can't help myself. Here we are. So this is English Bay down here. It's a cool area. Loads of pubs, restaurants.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'll just get a hot dog, just a normal. $4, yeah. I'll get a cold bottle of water as well, please. Yeah, just a little bit of mustard. Yeah.
A very tiny bit. You won't even see much.
Perfect. Thanks a lot, pal. Yeah.
Next order, please.
Sorry. Oh yeah. Hot dog was great, thanks pal. I'll be back, thank you. So good. Beef hot dogs, they call them smokies. Nice. Monday afternoon, the place is packed. It's very casual, yeah? You can see how people could just come down here and have a few tins. It smell weird. Everywhere you go, you just smell weird. And funny enough, in Canada, in the airports, that's where you smell weird, outside all the airports. People are allowed to travel with weird as well, so in the toilets in the airports, you smell it as well, before they get on the flights. So here's something interesting. A lovely hot summer's day here on the beach in Vancouver. If you look up here, you'll see the snow-capped mountains. Right up over there. Not the prettiest of apartment buildings. Very different styles of apartment blocks everywhere you look. There's one end, I think it's down the other end, and it looks like Hong Kong. Interesting. So this is an ancient symbol of the Inuit culture. Traditionally used as a landmark and a navigational aid. Also represents northern hospitality and friendship. So Inuit, I don't know about it. It must be the natives here in this area, I'd imagine.
I sit outside.
It was a weekend that we should actually.
I enjoyed a couple of drinks in Shamrock pub, yeah. Really nice. And now I'm going to meet a friend at the Burrard Bridge. A friend, she's from here. But as you're walking from English Bay to the Burrard Bridge, check this out. You just have people around having picnics. It is gorgeous. You see people out on paddle boats over there. I mean, people are having a good time here. So yeah, I'm going to meet my friend, and I think we're going to go to Kitts Beach. That must be the bridge just there. Oh, it's a massive bridge. It's a lovely area. This is a beach avenue, so it's a beautiful walk from English Bay right down. You've got this gorgeous walk down along the water. So here we're on the Burrard Street Bridge. Check this out and look at those views. Amazing. That's my friend Aman. Wanna say hello? She's shy, but after a while she won't be shy, I guarantee it. Everyone's shy at first. So we're going to where?
Kitsilano.
Kitsilano.
Yeah.
Vegan food truck.
Yeah.
You won't see one of them in Ireland. So my friend Aman is off getting some vegan food. I'm gonna get a burrito here in the Whole Foods. Kitsilano Beach. I think this is the spot, Aman. I think this is the spot. Wow. Look at this.
Told you.
I mean, this is a Monday evening. Monday. How is this like? I mean, are these people not working?
We mean it's evening.
So just they come out after work every day, yeah? Right. We're having a little picnic here, but it's by the looks of it. I'm sure everyone feels sorry for Aman here, walking around with the guy doing the vlog.
Human cheese.
Oh yeah, so it's vegetarian.
Yeah.
So I got chipotle tofu, just because I'm, she's vegan, so I thought I'd be kind. And what did you get?
I got the shawarma bowl from Kokomo.
Shawarma bowl from Kokomo.
Yeah.
Yeah, so mine is vegetarian, not vegan.
Mine's vegan.
That's okay. I did well.
It's still good.
Yeah. Who would have thought a vegetarian meal could be so good? And I'm not only saying that, like, Aman she's not pointing a gun to my head or anything. I'm really enjoying this vegetarian meal. And I think I might just have another vegetarian meal again in the near future. Okay?
Yeah.
Right, you see this view. And this guy here is playing Tupac. So I'm all about it. Go on, the Tupac! Aman, there's a smile. Yep. Look at this view.
Should we get a photo?
Yeah, we got a photo here now. Oh yeah.
They do a
It's
show
stage.
here.
Do a show, do they?
Yeah.
Well, who needs a show when you have this? You see this, everyone on the beach having a great time, and then you see snow on the mountains. Where else would you see that? Amazing. Loving this place so far. I'd like to apologise for the music. Not my choice. This. Great music. I think she's being sarcastic. Really? There you go. What time are we getting out here? What time are we going to the pub? Play Shaggy. So, Aman started all this off, the dancing. Aman was the first person there doing it. I made some soul Korea. This is life. Broke nigga bitch. Nigga broke bitch. But I'm Of course the music, the DJ started this, but Aman was the first person to dance, and now it's like 200 people. What's the story? Ah, nice shy, you're not worth it. I'm wasting me film on you.